V1S Pro rear camera repair operation video. JCID wide angle camera repair FPC. Easily fix unavailable camera and pop-up problems after replacing camera. There is camera pop-up window with this iPhone 12. Rear camera is unavailable. Now let's fix it. Firstly, remove the original camera. Cautions: please check whether the V1S Pro has sufficient power before operation, whether the automatic shutdown time is appropriate. Keep the V1S Pro connected to the internet. Stay connected to the phone. Buckle the rear camera adapter on the V1S Pro. Start of V1S Pro. Connect V1S Pro with mobile phone through Apple USB cable. Click Trust. With original camera. Step 1. Read bind. Buckle the original camera on the corresponding port of V1S Pro. Click Detect. When it shows camera data read succeed, click Read bind. It means reading successfully when it shows data backup succeeded. Remove the camera and go on to the next step. Step 2. Install FPC. Remove the original wide-angle repair FPC of the new camera. Heat at 110 degrees C with hot air gun and remove the FPC. Day going, cleaning, tinning. Soldering JCID wide-angle camera repair FPC. After applying with isolation tape, take it out from the fixture. Step 3. Cloud burn. Note: there are only 3 times for each FPC to be read and written. You can unactive after writing error information, but the number of writes will not increase. Please operate with caution. Buckle the well-soldered new camera on the corresponding port of V1S Pro. Click Cloud burn. The saved data is named after the reading time by default. Select the data to be written. Click Select. Click OK. It means writing successfully when it shows Write successfully. Remove the camera. Install the repaired camera in mobile phone. Boot up the phone. No pop-up window. Camera works fine. The iPhone 12 wide-angle camera is fixed successfully. With original rear camera whose data can't be read. Step 1. Scan bind. After connecting V1S Pro to mobile phone and clicking Trust. When it shows Cloud BCM's code ALER ready. Click Scan bind. A QR code will be created automatically by V1S Pro. Scan the QR code with another undamaged mobile phone. Click Start Scanning on the automatic redirected unbinding page. Scan the QR code on the back of the original wide-angle camera. When it shows Unbind successfully, it means unbind successfully. Back to the operation page. Step 2. Cloud burn. Buckle the new camera with soldered JCID FPC on the corresponding port of V1S Pro. Click Cloud burn. The unbind file is named after the unbinding time by default. Select the data to be written. Click Select. Click OK. When it shows right success, and the left written times degrees, it means burned successfully. After burning, install it in mobile phone to check whether it is fixed. Next is the operation for repairing without original camera. First, it needs to be unbound. We can dismantle NAND and unbind with P13, unbind without dismantling with V1S Pro, or with V1S Pro plus NAND module, or unbind by jailbreaking with JBox, or the jailbreak tools of the third party.